Hi, I'm Frances Cohen, President and founder of Promenade Software. Today I want to give you an overview of Promenade Software, including the services we provide, and most importantly, what makes us different from other software service providers. When my partner and I, both engineers, started Promenade back in 2013, our background in the medical device space provided us with a clear picture of the good, bad, and ugly in the space. We saw hefty inefficiencies that were largely preventable with some upfront investment in frameworks and infrastructure. But the resistance to invest for future projects is what ultimately convinced us to start our own services business. Our goal in creating Promenade Software was to provide best-in-class software services ultra-efficiently. At Promenade, we use the metaphor of an iceberg for medical device software development. The custom application is the part above the water. That is all you can see, but it's actually the small part of the project. Below the water are the frameworks, the templates, the libraries, and processes that make the application robust, testable, secure, and the documentation complete, and the entire process efficient. If any part of the infrastructure is an afterthought, and it often is in the industry, the cost of the project skyrockets. For solutions, we created our Parlay system for embedded device development and our CyberMed Cloud for a medical device cloud platform. The Parlay system is a self-instrumenting system that allows a tester to poke and prod into all the data at all the levels of the components of the working system. We built our CyberMed Cloud platform to provide a ready-made, highly secure cloud offering tailored to meet the needs of medical device manufacturers. We provide a pre-built manufacturer portal, along with a framework for developers to quickly create custom cloud applications for our clients. Promenade now has over 20 engineering, test, and regulatory personnel. All of our personnel are based in Southern California. We never offshore our work. We are quality management ISO 13485 certified, and our CyberMed Cloud is SOC 2 Type 2 certified. Over the last 8+ years, we've helped over 50 companies, from startups to Fortune 500 medical device companies, with a wide variety of services. From developing embedded system software, connected mobile applications, cloud applications, to interfacing with EHR payment and logistics systems, our software development covers the full spectrum for medical devices. We have also provided regulatory services for many clients, helping them with their design history file documentation, including the ever-important cybersecurity design and risk management documentation. In everything we do, we invest in the infrastructure to make our services ultra-efficient for all of our clients. We're the only service provider that does this level of investment, and that has allowed us to become a premier provider in the medical device space. Thank you for listening, and please contact us at promenadesoftware.com for any of your software needs.